This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 7 Encapsulation. Encapsulation, a key object-oriented programming concept, binds data and code into a single unit, allowing controlled access to data fields while promoting code reuse modularity and enhancing software maintainability and security. In Java, a class serves as a template defining the elements that make up an object, including fields for data, methods for operations, constructors, interfaces, and nested classes. Our focus today is on fields, methods, and constructors, the essential building blocks of classes. Consider the example of the circle class, which encapsulates the properties and operations of a circle object. Its fields include the radius and center coordinates, while its methods calculate the circumference and area based on the radius. To create a circle object, we use the class definition in the main CircleDemo class, initializing the object's x, y, and r fields. We can then call the object's circumference and area methods to perform calculations on that specific circle. Multiple circle objects can be created from the same class definition, each with its own unique set of field values representing different circles with various centers and radii. This demonstrates the power of object creation and encapsulation. A program can contain multiple classes, each defining the data members and methods for different entities, such as circle and box. Objects are created from these classes with initialized values, and their associated methods are invoked to perform operations. Every Java program must have a main method, which serves as the entry point for execution and compilation. This method typically resides within a class that also contains data members and other methods related to the program's functionality. Constructors provide a way to automatically initialize objects when they are created without requiring an explicit call. The constructor's name matches the class name, and it accepts parameters to set the initial values of the object's internal member elements. The this keyword is used within constructors to differentiate between instance variables and parameters when they share the same name. It resolves naming conflicts by referring to the current instance of the object being constructed. Constructor overloading allows a class to define multiple constructors, enabling object initialization in different ways with varying numbers of parameters from another object or using default values. This flexibility enhances the usability and adaptability of classes. While Java is considered a relatively simple language compared to others, its simplicity requires careful learning and understanding of important concepts such as encapsulation, class objects, constructors, and the this keyword. In summary, encapsulation combines data and code into reusable units through classes, which define objects with fields, methods, and constructors. Multiple objects can be created, and programs can have multiple classes for different entities. The main method acts as the entry point. Constructors auto-initialize objects, and the this keyword differentiates instance variables from parameters. Constructor overloading allows for multiple initialization paths, and Java's simplicity demands a thorough understanding of its key concepts. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.